Alright, today I have Tatcha, the Rice Polish Classic, which I'm going to show you how to use, as well as give my review on this particular product. Tatcha, a well-known brand, right here. And this is the rice polish. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you can see what it looks like on the inside. You thought that when I pulled this open, it would be an area where I can dip in, but if you look, there is a press button, and this press button, it's not like the newspaper type of press, it's more of you press this and the product will come out. But before I go ahead and press the button to get the product to come out, let's go over how to use this. This is a foaming enzyme powder. Pour into your palms and mix with water to create a foam. Massage on a wet face for 15 seconds. Avoid eyes and then rinse. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and pump this out so you can see what it looks like. Go ahead and go a little bit. So you have this. And then you mix this with water right here. And when you mix this with water, it foams. And then you massage on your wet face for 15 seconds. And then you just rinse it. Okay? So this is the Tatcha Rice Polish Classic. You can see right here, it looks like a fine powder right there, which is great because it saves on fuel costs when shipping this because it doesn't contain liquid, which can weigh down the product. One of the things I like about it. But it makes a good wash right here, this polish. So get this, mix this, it foams up, apply it to the face for about 15 seconds, wash it, then rinse it, avoiding my eyes. And that's how you use Tatcha, the Rice Polish Classic. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.